Butchang number 1.
Assalamualaikum sa ating lahat! I am proud to wear the Navy Soldier attire, a uniform that represents courage, discipline, and service to our nation. This uniform reminds us that the true strength is not only about power, but about dedication, responsibility, and love for our country. As a Navy, I believe honor, courage, and commitment are the service that guide us in serving the nation. This word reminds us to stay strong, brave, and faithful in fulfilling our duties. It symbolizes bravery and the willingness to serve others before oneself. It inspires us to become responsible citizens who are ready to stand for what is right. Once again, your future Navy soldier and your Butchang number 1, Salta Nawali.
That's Butchang number 1, our future Navy soldier. Palakpakan naman po para kay Butchang number 1. Next we have Butchang number 2. Butchang number 2, sumatan mo din ako pagkatapos.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Every dreams begin with imagination, but minds begin with fashion. Ngayong gabi, nais kong sa inyo'y may pangmalaki kung ano ang pangarap kong maabot sa hinaharap. Pangarap kong maging isang matagumpay at mahusay na fashion designer, hindi lamang para makagawa ng magagandang kasuotan, kundi para makapagbigay ng inspirasyon at lakas ng loob para sa mga kapwa ko kababaihan. Dahil bilang isang babae, naniniwala ako na walang limitasyon Bujang number 2.
That's our future fashion designer, Bujang number 2, Miss Naisa Bilastahil. Get ready. Next we have Bujang number 3.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Tonight I stand before you to honor the brave men and women of the Philippine Coast Guard. Their job is not easy. They face strong waves, heavy rain, and help people during storms and disasters. But because of their courage and dedication, many lives are saved. They are always ready to respond in times of emergency. Let us respect and appreciate our Coast Guard for their service and sacrifice. Again, your Bujang number 3, Ride and Early, your future Philippine Coast Guard.
Our future Philippine Coast Guard, Bujang number 3. Get ready, our next batch. Bujang number 4, 5, and 6. Beginning with Bujang number 4.
Mabuhay Philippines! Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, your airlines of choice. Greetings to all of you. Ever since I was a child, pangarap ko nang makasakay sa airplane as a flight attendant and be part of other people's journey. Hindi lang po ito about going to beautiful places. Higit sa lahat, ito'y tungkol sa pagiging bahagi ng kanilang kwento. Once again, your Bujang number 4, Nursaida Cinco, your future flight attendant.
That's our future flight attendant, Bujang number 4, Miss Norsaida Jacinto. Get ready, Bujang number 5. Tumak po.
Good evening, everyone. My dream career is to become a doctor. Standing before you is a woman who believes that service medicine is the best. Doctors are very important because they save a life and their people feel better. I am Mersa Laitani, doctor in your dreams, and dreaming to work one heartbeat at a time.
Our Bujang number 5, our future doctor. Get ready, Bujang number 6. Wait, error si ma'am.
Everyone, please listen. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Choosing teaching visita sa career is a passion to inspire. Maraming challenges, pero nakakataba ng puso yung success ng student. To be more possible, kaya sa mga future educators, keep going. Binabago ng mundo. One student at a time, mabuhay ang mga guro. Once again, I'm your butang number 6, Parnisa Sali!
That's our butcher number 6, our Carol teacher. Generally, our third batch, butcher number 7, 8, and 9. First we have Pujang number 7. Palakpakan naman po natin sila!
Good evening, everyone. I aspire to become a Chief Executive Officer or CEO because I want to lead with vision, purpose, and heart. I believe true leadership is about inspiring others, creating opportunities, and making a positive impact in the community. With confidence and determination, I am ready to lead and succeed. And I thank you.
That's our future CEO. Pujang number 7 is Julissa Haji Aribasa. Next we have Pujang number 8.
Hello! Hi! Mabuhay sa inyong lahat! Ang pagluluto ko ay hindi lang po tungkol sa pagkain, kundi pati na rin po sa pagbigay ng pagmamahal at siya sa mga taong kakain. Gaya po ng sabi ko, ang tunay na lasa ng isang ulam ay hindi lang po sa bibig, kung hindi nararamdaman sa puso. Matandaan ko ibigay ang lahat para sa pangarap na ito. Muli, ako po si Fatima Sai, ang inyong butang number 8. And I thank you!
Our Pujang number 8, our future chef. Get ready, Pujang number 9.
Good evening, everyone, and mabuhay Pilipinas. I am LJ Mano, your future flight attendant. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Emirates Airline Flight 271 bound for Manila, Philippines. Today, I stand before you as a flight attendant, a symbol of strength, discipline, and responsibility. Flying is not just about reaching a destination, it's about leading with integrity, serving with heart, and inspiring trust. Once again, from Asia San Yes and the heart of Filipino, mabuhay!
fourth batch, Bujang number 10, 11, and 12. In Maryland, Bujang number 10.
Makulit talaga yung Kelvin.
Good evening, everyone. As I stand here tonight, puno ng determinasyon at paninindigan para sa batas. My dream is to become a lawyer. Hindi lang para ipaglaban ang katarungan, kundi nais kong tumulong sa mga mamamayan na walang boses at sa mga taong hindi kayang abutin ang sariling pangarap at sarili. Sa mga taong hindi kayang harapin ang sariling karapatan at sariling justisya. Once again, I'm your Bujang number 10, your future lawyer. Maraming salamat po!
That's our future lawyer, Bujang number 10. Next we have Bujang number 11.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My dream is to become a cruise ship steward. Why? Because I want to travel around the world and see breathtaking places such as Japan, Dubai, Hong Kong, and many other countries. But it's not only about for traveling. I also want to fulfill my dreams for my parents and repay all the sacrifices they have made for me and my sisters. Your cruise ship steward, maraming salamat po.
Yes, our cruise ship steward, Bujang number 11. Get ready, Bujang number 12.
Galing.
Palakpakan niyo naman siya.
Ang nangangarap maging isang piloto, ang inyong Bujang number 12, Alwina Rimani.
That's our Bujang number 12, our very own pilot. Parang kayo ko sumangas sa aeroplano niya. Get ready, our last batch. Bujang number 13 and 14. Beginning with good jump number 13.
Good evening, everyone. My dream career is to become a soldier. Soldiers are very important because they save the Philippines and help people save their lives. I know you know that being a soldier is not easy because of all the challenges involved. But for me, since becoming a soldier is my dream, I will do everything to save the Philippines. Once again, your Pujang number 13, Milka Hussein!
That's our good jump number 13. Next we have good jump number 14.
Greetings to all of you. My dream career is to become a nurse. I want to help sick people and take care of them. Being a nurse means being kind, patient, and responsible. I want to serve the community and make my family proud. I know you know that becoming a nurse is not easy. It takes hard work, long hours of study, and a lot of sacrifices. There will be challenges, but I am ready to face them. I will do my best to reach my dream and become a good and caring nurse someday. Once again, your future nurse, Shaira Ahmad. See you around, my future patients.
Thank you so much. That's our good jump number 14. See you around your future patient. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to give us their final look wearing their gym career attire, please welcome our candidates of Bujang Kalapakuan 2026 in their final look. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates of Bujang Kalapakuan 2026 in their gym career attire. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to give a award to this selected candidates who won some of our special awards for tonight. But before that, may I request all of our candidates to please move backward just a little. Our first award is our Miss Popularity. TMC Photography have posted their official photo last week, and we have given all of their supporters to heart react their photos so that the highest heart reactors rather will automatically our Miss Popularity. Sorry po, medyo namin ibigay yung host. And to award our Miss Popularity, may I request the owner of Tiamsing Photography, Mr. Andrew Tiamsing, to award the Miss Popularity together with Butchang Kalapakuan runner-up, Miss Normatina Muji. Miss Normita Jundani. Sorry. Award our Miss Popularity. We organizers have made sure that the winner of Miss Popularity ay sigurado to. Kasi medyo nagka-issue po tayo. About po sa Miss Popularity. We have only counted the real actors of Mark. Organizers? Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Popularity is Butchang number! Butchang number 2! Once again, stop here! Our next award is by Tiamsing Photography. They have chosen their own choice. And to award our Tiamsing Photography's choice, may I again call the owner of Tiamsing Photography, Mr. Andrew Tiamsing, together with Butchang Kalapakuan 2024 runner-up, Ms. Jihanna Onaini. And our Butchang Kalapakuan 2026 Tiamsing Photography's Choice Award is Butchang number 1, Sakra Nawani. Congratulations. And our next award is our Best in Production Number. Organizers, may I have the results for our Best in Production Number? We are still tabulating who have won the Best in Production Number. We move on to our next award, which is the Miss Photogenic Award. Tiamsing Photography, our official photographer of Butchang Kalapakuan 2026, have chosen 3 Miss Photogenic. To award one of our Miss Photogenic, may I request again Mr. Ansar Tiamsing, together with Butchang Kalapakuan Luzon 2024, Normatina Muji. Sorry. One of our Miss photogenic is Bujang number 2, Daisa Biastahil. Thank you very much. And may I request Bujang Kalapakan 2024, Mindanao, Miss Angeli Majat to award one of our Miss Photogenic. And you are one of Miss Photogenic, Bujang number 7, Julissa Halibasa. And our Bujang Kalapakan Luzon 2024, Miss Sandara Casito, to help award our Miss Photogenic. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Photogenic is Bujang number 13. Congratulations! That's our Miss Photogenic. Our next award is our Miss Friendship. We have given our candidates an opportunity to vote for who they think is the prettiest of them all. And I believe, organizers, we have 3 awards for Miss Friendship, if I'm not mistaken. Miss Ashi Quintana, can I have your attention, please? Award one of our Miss Friendship, may I call on our Bujang Kalapakan Samal 2024, Miss Chindra Tahir. And you are one of our Miss Friendship, Bujang number 11, Nortisa Chumdani. Congratulations. And may I request our Bujang Kalapakan 2024, Rashida Nali, to award one of our Miss Friendship. And you are one of our Miss Friendship, Bujang number 5, Mersa Sani. May I request again, Bujang Alpha Consulate 24, Rashida Nali, to please stay to award our Miss Friendship. And you are our Miss Friendship Bujang number 12, Amrina Ripani. Congratulations! Okay, yun ang iyong maleta. Congratulations. And we have finally our best in production number. May I request Miss Raisa Tali to award our best in production number.
Ha? Naupuan ko ba? Meron naman sa bagat.
And two best in production
Ilan?
number.
Isa lang. Isa lang.
Wow, lots of awards for tonight. You are one of our best in production number, Bujang number 14, Shaira Ahmad. Congratulations. Next we have still best in production number is Bujang number 4, Norselda Jacinto. Congratulations. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates from their dream career attire. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Candidates, you may now go backstage to change for your next segment, which is the talent competition.